Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you websites where you can make at least $100 per day. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. People actually say that working for yourself is risky, but actually learning how to make money is probably one of the biggest risk mitigators that one can have. In today's video, I have reviewed dozens of the most popular money-making websites to determine my list, and I have listed them accordingly. And I'll be saving the best for the last, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. The first website on my list is Wethy Affiliates. Guys, Wethy Affiliates is an online platform that has been a dependable source of income for a lot of people since 2020. It is a hidden website to make money that provides the tools and resources to help you generate passive income online through affiliate marketing. This website offers a step-by-step training program that covers topics like niche selection, keyword research, website design, and content creation, as well as SEO optimization. Members can also access live webinars, video tutorials, and a forum where they can ask questions and receive feedback from experienced marketers. Guys, Wethy Affiliates provides free web hosting services, which means that members can build and host their own websites on the platform for free. The website builder tool is user-friendly, and members can choose a variety of templates to create a professional-looking website. The next one on my list here is Amazon KDP. That is Amazon Kindle Book Publishing. Now, Amazon KDP is a book publishing platform owned by Amazon. For professional writers, it's a popular website to earn, but for most people, it's a secret platform to make money. Also, there's a secret way to make money on Amazon as a publisher without even publishing any book yourself, without writing any book. Now, there's a software that can help you do the magic. It helps me to create income, passive income on Amazon KDP without me doing the heavy lifting. So when you publish a book on Amazon KDP, you set the price and Amazon takes a percentage of the sale price as commission. Now, the commission varies depending on the book price and the region where it is sold. The more books that you sell, the more money that you make. And another way to make money on Amazon KDP is through the Kindle Unlimited program. Now, this program allows readers to access an unlimited number of books for a monthly subscription fee. Authors who enroll their books in Kindle Unlimited are paid based on the number of pages that are read by subscribers. The next website on my list here is Skillshare. Guys, Skillshare is like Netflix for educational content because users on the platform pay a monthly subscription for them to get access to favorite lessons and courses. If you have a skill, guess what? You can share it on Skillshare and make a passive monthly income from it. You can make a ton of money on this website, whether you're a good math teacher or you can teach people how to use musical instruments or you're good at anything that is in high demand. You don't need to seek an audience to make money on this platform because your target audience is most likely going to be there already. If you don't already have any valuable lessons or skills to have to share on Skillshare, there is another way you can make money on this platform. Guess what? You can utilize the pay per lead affiliate marketing program created by Skillshare, where you can sign for the program and earn $7 for every user that signs up for a free trial on the website through your affiliate link. Another website on my list here is Userlytics. Now, in case you're wondering, what is Userlytics? Userlytics is a platform where testers are sought out to evaluate the websites of some of the biggest businesses in the world. It is essentially a way to make money by visiting websites, and one easy way to make $10 for reviewing a website in less than 10 minutes is through Userlytics. Yes, website testing. Now, website testing, commonly referred to as remote usability testing, is thoroughly examining a client's company's website or mobile application and offering your frank opinion. Now, a new visitor's unique insight is always welcome. Because of this, Userlytics may aid in improving the user experience for visitors, which helps site owners to grow their businesses. Another website on my list here is Rumble. Guys, Rumble is a video sharing platform just like YouTube where creators can make money from their content. It's a less popular version of YouTube, but it has various ways for content monetization. If you're posting content on social media, posting them on Rumble too is a brilliant idea. And Rumble is a secret money-making website that will pay you for ads on your videos just like YouTube. However, they also partner with companies like Xbox, Yahoo, and MSN. And through this partnership, you'll be able to make more money from your videos. Now, if one of their partner company decides to use some of your content, you will get $50 for every video that they use. And you will also earn additional $100 if your video is good enough to make it to the homepage of Rumble. You can also monetize Rumble with affiliate links and sponsorship deals. Guys, what can be better than this? I also have a free tip for you guys. So if you have a skill and you want to monetize that skill, be it tutoring, maybe teaching people a particular subject, if you're so good at maths and you want to teach other people how to excel in mathematics or English, or you want to teach someone a language, you want to teach other countries languages, or you want to just, share your skill with the world and make money while at it. It is called monetization. That is, monetize your craft, monetize your skill. There is a website or an app that I'm going to implore you to join today if you have not. It is called nextdoor.com. Nextdoor, like the guy next door. So go ahead and click on, join the app or the website nextdoor.com, where you can promote yourself easily. In fact, you can even create a group. Yes, you can create a group on Nextdoor to bring in people of like minds together. You can name it anything at all you want. Create a group on Nextdoor where you can always post, and you can also post generally on Nextdoor. Now, Nextdoor connects you with all of your neighbors in your local community. So let's assume that you have about 5 million people, in your local area on Nextdoor, and you're able to reach even 10% of that. If you are promoting your business, or what is it that you do, your services, at least if you can get 10% of that 10% to patronize you, you're already in money. 10% of 5 million is 500,000. 10% of 500,000 is what? 50,000. So if you have a course and people are interested in it, let's even assume that 10% of that is the conversion rate, or 1% of that is the conversion rate. Do the maths yourself. So if you promote yourself on Nextdoor, I implore you to sign up on Nextdoor as a business account. Do not sign up as an individual, because when you do and you post multiple times, you're likely going to get booted out. You're likely going to get banned on Nextdoor. It has happened to me. I'm speaking from experience, and this is a multi-million-dollar advice I'm giving to you. This is a multi-million-dollar free consultation that I'm giving to you. So go on Nextdoor. You can actually, because a lot of people focus so much on social media that they forget to take advantage, harness maximize the potentials of earning in their local community. Nextdoor is a fantastic way to comb funds in your local community. You can get your neighbors to patronize you. Yes, especially if you have zero experience, you can start, boosting your own confidence, because confidence comes from getting multiple clients, repeat clients. When people trust in your abilities, your skills and your services, and they also give you reviews. So you can also create an app, create a profile for yourself on Google. It's called Google My Business or Google Business. I think they've changed it from Google My Business to something Google Business, but go to Google and create a Google My Business. If you type Google My Business, it's going to give you the new name, the latest name that they now use on Google My Business. You can do that and create a link for your reviews. So whenever you have a successful clients coming from Nextdoor, then you give them the link. Yes, the link to review your services. When you send them the link, it's automatically on Google, and people can see that, oh yes, you're tested and you're trusted. That builds your credibility, and before you know it, you're building a personal brand, and with time you're going to get to your promised land, or you're going to reach your goals. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money sitting pretty from the comfort of your home. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. Do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comments, like this video, share this video, and tell a friend, and of course I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, and bye for now. I love you.